Question number 11. Let's comprehend what is given. Let L1 and L2 be the following straight lines. So two straight lines, equations is given in three-dimensional coordinate system. Another line, suppose the straight line L, which is in the four unknowns alpha, m, L, gamma, lies in the plane containing L1 and L2 and passes through the point of intersection of L1 and L2. If the line L bisects the acute angle between the lines L1 and L2, so line L bisects the acute angle between the lines L1 and L2. That is given. What is asked? Which of the following statement is true or false? So they are asking about the true. And options are relation between alpha and gamma and L and M. So analyze. I recall if the equation is in the three-dimensional coordinate system, so this line passes through point xa, ya, za, and direction ratios are L, M, N. And in vector form, this will be line passing through point A with position vector xa I cap plus ya j cap plus za k cap. And line is parallel to non-zero vector B vector Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. So its equation in vector form is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. Lambda is an arbitrary constant. The angle between two vectors from the dot product, theta is equal to cos inverse A vector dot B vector upon magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B. And angle between the two vectors is from close 0 to close pi. Now, vector A and B are in orthogonal system of unit vectors, then A dot B is equal to this. Basic results, NCRT. And if a vector A is there in the I cap, J cap, K cap system, then magnitude of the vector A is this. So all basic results from NCRT books, and we will use them. And one simple geometry, which we have learned by class, I think, 10th. Diagonals of a rhombus are internal angle bisectors. Internal angle bisectors. So we have to check acute angle bisector. No? So a vector parallel to angle bisectors of two vectors, vector A and vector B. If I take vector A, vector B, they form a parallelogram. And if this is, let's say, a unit vector, then this will be a rhombus. And this vector will be with plus sign here, and this one will be with minus sign here. Both are angle bisectors. This one of this angle, and here it is of this angle. So we'll use this geometry. So I recognize L1 line, L2 line equations are given, and this passes through point 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So both passes through point 1, 0, 1. So this is their point of intersection. Wow. And this line is parallel to vector. Let's say I'm calling this vector B1, I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap. Similarly, line L2 is parallel to vector B2, let's say. And B2 vector is minus 3I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Then I would check the angle between vector B1 vector and B2 vector. If this angle is acute, then a acute angle bisector of two lines will be along this vector. And if it is obtuse, it will be along this vector. So now I have point through which line L is passing and a vector parallel to this line. I shall get the equation of this line. On comparing it with the given equation of line L, I shall get the unknown alpha, gamma, L, and M. That's my pathway. So let's execute. I calculate the angle between the two vectors. Just put the values here. Basic results. I got cos inverse 1 by 11. As theta is acute for cos inverse x, if x is from 0 to 1, the angle cos inverse x is from 0 to pi by 2. So a vector parallel to acute angle bisector of two lines would be with plus sign here. B vector, B1 vector upon magnitude of vector B1 plus B2 vector upon magnitude of vector B2. I simplify this. I get this vector. So the direction ratio of the line L are -1, -1, 2. Direction ratios. The ratio is same. It doesn't matter. 2 upon root 11 से multiply हुआ या किसी भी number से multiply हुआ except 0. Direction ratio. I got the direction ratio of the line L. And I know the point through which it is passing, 1, 0, 1. So the equation of the line is this. X minus 1 upon 1 is equal to y upon minus 1 is equal to z minus 1 upon 2. Now what is given? Equation of line? X minus alpha upon this in this form. So to compare, I would make known terms same. This. So I'm making y minus 1 here first. So I just add 1 in each term. So I got y minus 1 here. And the other known term is minus 2 here. Here it is 2. So let's multiply by minus 1 in each part. So we got this. Now we have this and we have this. Now we can compare. On comparing, we get alpha is equal to 2, gamma is equal to minus 1, L is equal to 1, and M is equal to 1. I got all the values. Now let's check the option. Option A, alpha minus gamma is equal to 3, correct. Option B, L plus M is equal to 2, correct. Option C, alpha minus gamma is equal to 1, incorrect. Option D, L plus M equal to 0, no, incorrect. I got my answer. It is option A and B. Simple basic results. No trick, no complication, no mystery. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Saini. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Saini. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you.